am here to report on my 1 month of using Morrocco Method products. I tried all the shampoos. I've tried the Euro oil. I've used the Zen detox mask 4 times. I have been brushing my hair twice a day. And just maybe this last week, I started massaging my scalp twice a day with the scalp massager. So how do I feel like it's going? All the shampoos I've really enjoyed and my hair seems to like them. And also the conditioners I really like, although I think I like the Floating Lotus conditioner the best. I can say that all the products that I've tried make my hair very touchable, not sticky or greasy or weighed down. I tried the Diamond Crystal Mist, the Sapphire Volumizer Mist, and the Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel. Do I feel like it's doing my hair some good? I have some little spots here that seem to be thinning out. And so I feel like I've been kind of, judging them. Those little tiny baby hairs are getting longer. And I'm thinking that maybe with the scalp massage, that might get even better. But I do think that the brushing is really helping to stimulate my scalp and make it grow. Overall, it does feel just a little bit longer. I also have cut my hair by the lunar calendar twice, and I cut it last week on the summer solstice. I'm looking forward to the coming months to see how the lunar hair cutting makes my hair perform. I feel like the frizz has gone down some, and I'm looking forward to it improving even more. I really think the product that has done the most good for that is the Zen Detox mask. That is it for my review after 1 month and how it's all going. My plan going forward is to continue brushing twice a day, continue massaging my scalp twice a day as recommended, and I'm going to continue rotating the shampoos, and I'm going to continue the Zen Detox mask 1 time a week. I think that is everything that I wanted to share. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Morrocco Method, for the opportunity to try your products and to tell everyone about them. I have enjoyed the process very much so far. You guys are lovely to work with. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.